Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope well. I'm sitting here cooking lunch, so those videos will be out, I don't know, before or after this one. Made some bannock, and I made some Texas State Fair chili from Packy Gourmet. If I just throw the cheese and the corn chips away, because I noticed they get stale. But anyway, you know, I thought of a question, because I was using a stove for the first time. You know, and when you see the video, it's going to be obvious that I'm using a stove for the first time. And I do mention the fact that I'm doing so, but, you know, a thought occurred to me is like, do people think that YouTubers are experts? Because I'm always really straightforward with you guys about, you know, where my levels are and where I started. You know, I never said I was an expert, and I never once claimed to be one either. You know, I'm just out here having fun. So, you know, if I make a mistake, I don't really give a crap. It's like, you know, it's part of the learning process. You know, for me, it's just fun. It's just fun to try things new. You know, I kind of made mention of it when I was getting my fire going. It's like, you know, if I use flint and steel in the video, someone will comment, oh, just use ferro rod. If I use a ferro rod in the video, someone will comment, oh, just use a match, use a lighter. If I'm using a lighter in the video, it's, oh, use matches. Like, well, I'm using what I'm using because I want to practice with its use, like flint and steel. You know, I want to, you know, try using it a little bit more often than I do, because, you know, why have it if I'm not even going to use it? Which I was going to make char cloth, and I forgot to bring the char again. It's like the third time now. Damn. Oh well, it was just something I was been thinking about. It's sort of a random thought while I was waiting for my chili to hydrate, and I'm waiting for my bannock to, you know, kind of cool down. It might be cool now. Give you a little sneak peek. There you go. I've really been digging the frying pan version. Got a little bug in my. Not too dark either. Looking pretty good. Nice and cool to the touch. It feels nice and done too. Hell, even the bannock. I mean, when my first bannock I made for the first time on video. I didn't even try doing it beforehand, off camera. So, to me, it's all about having fun. And I hope you guys are having fun out there. I'll keep this a short video. Let me know what you think in comments, or make a video, and I'll catch you in the next one.